Hello, today I will show you how to show the frame rates in games without installing any software. First we do Win plus G and you will see Xbox toolbar. Then we click on Performance. Then you will see small window. You click on the options and then you can change the color, for example, show CPU, GPU, RAM, virtual RAM. In our case we need only FPS. Then we put the small windows in any place that you want and click on this small pin. And now when you open the games you always will see this small text with your FPS number. The best thing that is you don't need to install any software for this. It's already came with any Windows. Thank you.